If you're using Claude Code and feel like you're only scratching the surface, you probably are. Out of the box, Claude Code is powerful. It can read your repo, refactor files, generate tests, and assist with development tasks directly from the terminal. But what turns it from a helpful CLI assistant into a fully autonomous engineering partner? That's where awesome-claude-code comes in. Maintained by He's Really Him, this rapidly growing community resource has become the definitive curated list for the Claude Code ecosystem. Think of it as a discovery engine, a central hub of battle-tested commands, agent skills, orchestration frameworks, and workflow blueprints designed to push Claude to its absolute limits. This isn't just a list of prompts. It's an operating system for agentic coding. One of the most powerful sections of awesome-claude-code is its massive collection of curated commands. These commands extend Claude's capabilities beyond simple chat. You'll find advanced Git workflows, version control automations, deep code analysis routines, CI/CD helpers, testing scripts, and deployment shortcuts. Instead of manually guiding Claude step by step, you trigger structured workflows. You move from chatting to delegating. That's the core shift. Agentic engineering is about giving the AI responsibility for multi-step tasks, not micromanaging it. The repository also features specialized orchestrators, systems designed to coordinate multiple Claude sub-agents on complex tasks. Projects like Code by Agents and Claude Code Flow experiment with multi-agent collaboration. One agent might handle architecture planning. Another handles implementation. Another focuses on testing or documentation. Instead of a single linear assistant, you get coordinated intelligence working in parallel. For larger codebases or multi-repo environments, this approach unlocks serious leverage. But building powerful workflows isn't just about orchestration, it's also about visibility. Awesome. Claude Code includes tools like better CC Flare and CC usage, web-based dashboards that track token consumption, API costs, and session analytics in real time. Why does this matter? Because agentic workflows can become expensive if unmanaged. When you're running autonomous tasks, monitoring usage becomes critical for maximizing ROI. These dashboards turn cost control into a first-class feature, not an afterthought. Another high-leverage concept in the repository revolves around CLAUDE.md patterns. If Claude Code is the engine, CLAUDE.md is the steering system. It's the highest leverage configuration point in your project, defining the why, what, and how of how Claude should operate inside your codebase. Awesome. Claude Code curates language-specific and domain-specific CLAUDE.md templates for React, Python, Go, and other ecosystems. These templates define linting rules, testing expectations, architectural constraints, and communication guidelines. Instead of re-explaining your stack every session, you standardize it once. That dramatically reduces context drift and improves output consistency. The repository also dives into output styles and personas. You'll find formatting overrides and expert personas, like technical evangelist or meticulous reviewer, that reshape how Claude communicates. Need highly critical code reviews? Need executive-level summaries? Need marketing-ready technical explanations? By defining persona constraints, you align the AI's communication style with your workflow. This might sound cosmetic, but it has real impact on collaboration and clarity. One of the most interesting categories is meta skills and automation. These are tools that help you build tools. Skills like Skill Auditor, Hook Creator, and even experimental workflows for parallel research push Claude beyond single-task execution. They allow you to design, refine, and iterate on your own agentic systems. It becomes recursive. You're not just using an agent, you're engineering agents. There's also an important architectural theme running through many featured resources: progressive disclosure. Instead of loading massive context into Claude all at once, many skills follow modular architectures, loading deeper instructions only when necessary. This preserves tokens, prevents context bloat, and reduces what some developers call context collapse, where the model loses clarity across large code bases. In agentic coding, efficiency isn't optional, it's foundational. What makes awesome-claude-code particularly powerful is its community-first growth. It's a living document, updated frequently, curated by developers who are actively pushing the boundaries of what Claude Code can do. That means the repository acts as a real-time innovation tracker for the Anthropic ecosystem. When a powerful new workflow emerges, it often shows up here first. For developers, the benefits are immediate. You save hours, sometimes days, of experimentation. Instead of reinventing prompt structures/commands or hook logic, you adopt battle-tested patterns. You reduce token waste. You increase reliability. You maximize output quality per dollar spent. And perhaps most importantly, you shift your workflow from reactive prompting to proactive delegation. Getting started is straightforward. Browse the GitHub repository. Explore categories like agent skills, tooling, hooks, and /commands. Install relevant skills into your project's .claude directory. Adopt a curated .md template to standardize your environment. Within minutes, Claude goes from general assistant to embedded engineering partner. As AI coding evolves, the difference won't be who has access to the best model. It will be who builds the best workflows around it. Awesome. Claude Code is where those workflows are discovered, refined, and shared. If Claude Code is the engine, this is the tuning manual. And in the era of agentic engineering, tuning is everything.
If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe.